10 Science Mini Test 4. Section A. Choose the right answers from the options given below. Question 1. A wire of resistant R is stretched to double its length. What is its new resistance? Options are option A R, option B 2R, option C 4R, option D R by 2. The correct answer is option C 4R. Since R is directly proportional to its length, when length is increased, the resistance will also increase.
Question number 2. In which year is concentration of hydrogen ion the highest? Answer is A, option A, 2002. Because in 2002 pH value is lowest. We know that pH value is inversely proportional with hydrogen ion concentration. So in 2002 pH value is lowest, so hydrogen ion concentration will be highest.
Question number 3. Which of the following option shows the order of events correctly when a bright light is focused on our eyes? Explanation is, when a bright light enters our eyes, it is first detected by receptors present in the retina of our eye. These receptors send the signal through a sensory neuron to the spinal cord, where the information is processed. In response, a message is sent via the motor neurons that makes the eyelid muscles contract and hence the eyes close. So the correct sequence will be option A. Bright light, receptors in eyes, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neurons, and hence the eyelid closes.
The question below consists of statements of an assertion and a reason. Use the following key to choose the appropriate answer. Option A, if both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B, if both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Option C, if the assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. Option D, if the assertion is incorrect but reason is correct. Question 4. Assertion. Electric current in a conductor is due to the flow of electrons. Reason. Electrons flow from the positive terminal to negative terminal of a cell. Answer is option C. If the assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. We know that in metallic conductors, free electrons move when a potential difference is applied and it constitutes the electric current. So, the assertion is a true statement. In reality, electrons flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal of a cell because electrons are negatively charged and are repelled by the negative terminal and attracted towards the positive terminal. So, the reason is incorrect.
Question number 5. Assertion reason. Assertion. The water must always be added to acid with constant stirring. So assertion is wrong because we know if water is added to concentrated acid, the heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out and cause burn. So always acid must always be added to water, not water to acid. So assertion is wrong. Reason, mixing of an acid with water decreases the concentration of hydrogen ion per unit volume. So reason is correct. Assertion is wrong, reason is correct. So option will be D.
Section B. Answer in brief. Question number 6. A student says in parallel combination the total resistance increases. Do you agree? Explain using the formula for parallel resistance. Answer. No, the total resistance decreases in a parallel combination. Formula for parallel combination: 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by Rn till Rn. Hence, the reciprocal of total resistance is greater than the reciprocal of any individual resistance, making the total resistance less than the smallest individual resistor.
Question 7. A compound X of sodium is used as an antacid and it decomposes on strong heating. Question A. Name the compound X and give its chemical formula. Answer will be sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda NaHCO3. Question B. Write a balanced chemical equation to represent the decomposition of X. Answer will be 2NaHCO3 arrow Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Question C. Give one use of compound X besides an antacid. Answer will be fire extinguisher or baking. Any one option will be correct.
Question number 8. Give brief explanation for the following. First one, which hormone is responsible for the changes noticed in females at puberty? The answer is, in females, the hormone estrogen is responsible for the changes at puberty, such as development of breast, broader hips, and the start of the menstrual cycle. Second, dwarfism results due to the deficiency of which hormone? The answer is, dwarfism occurs due to the deficiency of growth hormone, which controls the height and overall growth of the body. Third, blood sugar level rises due to deficiency of which hormone? The answer is, the hormone insulin helps in controlling blood sugar levels. When insulin is lacking, the sugar in the blood rises, leading to diabetes. D. Iodine is necessary for the synthesis of which hormone? The answer is, iodine is very important for making the hormone thyroxine in the thyroid gland. Without iodine, problems like goiter can occur.
Section C. Answer the following question. Question number 9. Part A. List any two factors on which the resistance of a conductor in the shape of a wire depends. Answer: length of a wire, cross-section area of the wire, temperature of the conductor, nature of the material used. Part B. Consider the following electric circuit. If every resistor is 2 ohm, what current will flow in the circuit? Answer for part B: R2 and R3 are in parallel. So Rp is 1 ohm. R5 and R4 are in series. So Rs is equal to 2 plus 2 ohms, which will give you 4 ohm. So the equivalent resistance is Rs plus Rp, that is 4 plus 1, which give you 5 ohms. R1 is not to be taken as it is shorted. The current flowing I is equal to V by R according to Ohm's law. So 5 divided by 5, which will give you current value as 1 ampere.
Question 10. Write balanced chemical equations for the following statements. Question A. Blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated. Answer is CuSO4.5H2O blue, then arrow, then it forms CuSO4 plus 5H2O, which is white color. Question B. Chlorine gas is passed through dry slaked lime. Answer is CaOH2 plus Cl2 arrow CaOCl2 plus H2O. Question C. Gypsum is heated to 373 Kelvin. Answer is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Gypsum heated at 373 and it forms CaSO4 dot half H2O, which is plaster of Paris, plus 1.5 H2O.
Question number 11. What are phytohormones? Name them. The answer is phytohormones are called as plant hormones and are synthesized at sites away from where they act. They diffuse to the area of action and help in coordinating growth and development of the plant and responses to the environment. Phytohormones examples are auxin, gibberellic acid, cytokinin, abscisic acid. B. Why is abscisic acid known as a stress hormone in plants? Answer is abscisic acid is known as a stress hormone in plants because unlike the growth hormones, it inhibits growth and causes wilting of leaves.